Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. Today, I'm going to be looking at how much compensation you may be entitled to for an injury which has resulted in a bodily scar if you've been involved in an accident which was due to the negligence of others. If you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If you're thinking about claiming for stitches or would like to know the value of a scar claim following an accident, as you'd like to claim compensation for being glassed or have been in a road traffic accident that was due to the negligence of others, I'll shortly be going over how much you may be able to claim with our bodily scars compensation claim amount table. But first, I'd like to emphasise that these figures are solely for your injuries alone and do not include any additional sums of compensation for things like any loss of income from time off work that you've been forced to take because of the accident, or any travel expenses for trips made in relation to your injuries, or any care costs, which means that your final claim amount is likely to be larger.
So in front of us we have the table for bodily scars compensation claim amounts, and a large proportion of awards for a number of noticeable laceration scars or a single disfiguring scar of either the legs or arms or hands or back or chest fall into the bracket of anything between £6,240 right the way up to £18,120. In cases where an exploratory laparotomy has been performed but no significant internal injury has been found, the award reflects the operation and the inevitable scar, and you could expect to receive something in the region of £6,890. A noticeable scar or several superficial scars of the legs or arms or hands with some minor cosmetic deficit, you could expect to receive anything between £1,890 right the way up to £6,240. And then finally, the effects of burns will normally be regarded as more serious since they tend to cause a greater degree of pain and may lead to continuing physical or psychological injury. Serious burn injuries will attract very significant awards. Where significant burns cover 40% or more of the body, awards are likely to exceed £83,550.
Now let's take a look at the table. I'd like to once again emphasise that these figures are for your injuries only and do not include the compensation from any loss of income from time off work or any other expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the final compensation claim amount is likely to be larger. But in order to get a fuller idea of just how much compensation you may be entitled to, we recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims specialist. Now, the good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk offers a completely free consultation where we'll talk through the accident with you to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us whenever you'd like, as we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676, or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll be happy to use our facial injury compensation calculator to help you establish how much compensation you may be entitled to in total and answer any questions you may have, like how much compensation do you get per stitch and how much is a scar worth in the UK when claiming compensation. Following this consultation, if we believe that we're able to assist you in bringing a claim, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. Now, what this means for you is that there won't be any upfront fees to worry about, and if your claim was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks.
Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same. And whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.